Okay, everyone, if you come to my house, please do not tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no-no. You don't ever do that. If you tamper with my alarm, you will get in big trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested. So, never ever tamper with my alarm when you visit my house. You leave my alarm alone unless I give you permission to do so. But if I don't, leave it alone. If I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling and you come to my house, never get my screwdriver out and never go up to my alarm and unscrew it and take it off the wall or the ceiling. That is a big no-no. Never paint my alarm. Never smash my alarm. You leave my alarm alone. Remember, if you break my alarm, you are responsible for buying me a new one. So don't do that. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on my alarm. You leave it alone. Never ever tamper with my fire alarm. That is a huge no-no. Bye.